Today we're making not one, not two, but 3 amazing 1-minute microwave mug cakes. These are quick and satisfying. Make these after school, after work, or anytime you need a quick fix. Okay, so we're gonna make all 3 at the same time. I don't want to be wasting your time because this method is pretty straightforward and very similar for all 3. We're going to melt the butter with the vanilla directly in the mug or teacups. If you're using teacups, please make sure they're bigger than mine. Otherwise, it's gonna be hell to mix this. To the first 2, I've added the sugar. I'm using white for the vanilla confetti one and brown sugar for the chocolate chip one. But use whatever you got, whatever you prefer. Give these a quick mix and we're gonna move over to the chocolate mug cake. Before we add the sugar, we're just going to bloom the cocoa powder. This just means adding cocoa powder to any type of hot liquid to dissolve it and bring out and intensify its delicious chocolate flavor. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hello there. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every week. I've gone ahead and added some warm milk to each mug. Do not add cold milk, otherwise the butter is just gonna seize up and you're gonna get lumps. And nobody wants a lumpy cake batter. So please heat the milk. I feel like you're not going to do it, but please do it, okay? As you can see, these recipes contain no eggs, which means, drum roll please, that they're easily veganizable. Add the flour and baking powder. I have previously mixed the 2 together. It's not necessary, but it really does help because you'll avoid overmixing your cakes. This is why it's better to just use a bigger mug, okay? It's just, easier than these tiny cups. I did get creative though, and just busted out my mixer. This is my normal mixer with just one attachment. And no, you don't need a mixer, okay? You can just use a fork. However, if you do use a fork, make sure you scrape the bottom of the mugs with a spatula. Okay, so at this point, we're ready to cook these babies. This video is done. Don't click out. I have 2 crucial tips. Put your mug in the center of the microwave. And the second most important tip is to not overcook your mug cake. Cook your mug cake for exactly 1 minute. I will leave more tips in the description box and on my website. Okay, so fast forward 1 minute later and boom, you got yourself a delicious mug cake, or in my case, 3 cakes. These are great as is. If you want to add some frosting on top, by all means, go ahead. I do like to serve my chocolate mug cake with some Nutella on top, and I highly recommend you do that as well because it's delicious. Whichever mug cake you decide to make, all 3 are incredibly soft and fluffy and absolutely delicious. Make these on a weekday as an after-school treat for a late-night craving. They're a great quick fix.